In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure a coupon in WordPress. We'll walk through the full process of setting up a coupon from inside your WordPress dashboard, so you can offer discounts in a clean, controlled way and make sure everything works properly before customers use it. To begin, open your WordPress dashboard. This is where you manage your store settings, products, and promotions. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to Marketing and then select Coupons. This section is where all of your discount codes are created and managed. Next, click Add Coupon. This opens the coupon setup screen, where you'll enter the details that define how the discount works. Start by entering a coupon code, or use the Generate option if you want WordPress to create one for you automatically. If you're making a public promotion, it's usually helpful to choose a code that's short and easy to remember. After that, add an internal description. This is mainly for your own reference, so you can quickly identify what the coupon is for later. For example, you might use the description to note the campaign type, season, or purpose of the discount. Now choose the discount type. You'll typically see options such as a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. A percentage discount reduces the order by a percentage, while a fixed cart discount subtracts a flat amount from the whole cart. A fixed product discount applies a set amount off specific products. Choose the one that best matches the promotion you want to run. Once the discount type is selected, enter the discount amount. Be sure the amount makes sense for the type of coupon you chose. Then, if the promotion should only run for a limited time, add an expiration date. This is useful for seasonal offers or short-term sales and helps prevent old coupons from staying active longer than intended. You can also configure minimum and maximum spending requirements. This lets you control when the coupon becomes available, such as only for larger orders or only within a certain purchase range. If needed, you can further restrict the coupon so it only applies to selected products, categories, or customer email addresses. This is especially useful for targeted promotions or product-specific offers. Next, set the usage limits. You can define the total number of times the coupon can be used overall, as well as the number of times each customer can use it. This helps you prevent overuse and keeps the promotion within your intended limits. Finally, publish the coupon and test it on the cart or checkout page. Testing is important because it confirms the code applies correctly, the discount amount is accurate, and any restrictions or limits behave the way you expect. Once everything looks good, your coupon is ready to use.